natin, Giselle Ochano de Los Angeles, para magbigay ng mensahe para sa ating panauhin dito sa ating
Thank you. Maraming salamat po ulit. Magandang umaga sa lahat, sa mga barangay partners, media guests, school partners, and lalo-lalo po si Attorney Tommy De Castro from the QC. The inauguration of our new building here at PINMA St. Jude College marks another significant milestone in our journey to provide accessible, high-quality education. This is our third building in the PINMA NCR network, reflecting our steadfast commitment to expanding our reach and impact. Our ambition is to nurture and empower the next generation of leaders, professionals, change makers, equipping them with the skills and knowledge to excel in their chosen fields and contribute meaningfully to our society regardless of the challenges they face. As part of the PINMA Education Network, the largest higher education network in Southeast Asia, we bring the strength of our network in academic and student support. Our collective achievements across the PINMA network underscore our capability and commitment to driving educational excellence, ensuring that our students are well equipped to thrive in an ever-changing world. Once again, PINMA SJC is now officially on Aurora Boulevard, and we are honored to share this special moment with our esteemed guest from District 3 of Quezon City, Attorney Tommy De Castro. Kindly approach. Thank you so much.